Hi friends, welcome to ZT Tutorials. Now I am going to explain you about 6th class first chapter. 6th class history first chapter. So this is from NCERT. So first chapter name is what, where, how and when. In this keywords are manuscript, that is means handwritten notes are written by hand. In manu means manu, what is the meaning of manu? Hand. Script means writing. So next one is inscription. Inscription means writing on the hard surface. Archaeology, the who study about the past thing. Archaeology, archaeologist means the person who study about the past things. Next one is historian. Historian means who read about the past from books. That means epics or manuscripts from word source, from writings. Next one is source. Source is equals to, source meaning is origin. Next, decipherment. Decipherment meaning is knowing the meaning of old script. In olden days they written in Prakrit or Sanskrit languages, so we have to know the meaning of that languages. This is a physical map of subcontinent. In this we have to know the hills, the where it is located. There is a Sulaiman Hills. See here arrow mark. Here Sulaiman Hills. First one is. Next one is Kirdar Hills. That next one is Vindhya Hills. Next one Garo Hills. In map location, we have map pointing. We have to know this. Where are the Sulaiman and Kirdar, Vindhyas and Garo Hills are located. Okay. Next we are going to next one. Where did people live? Our actual question: where did people live in the ancient days? In the starting of the history. In early days, peoples are used to live in the banks of the rivers. Why they choose to live on the banks of the rivers means because to fulfill their needs, they choose the place to live on the banks of the rivers. For agriculture, for daily use, they need water, so they are settled where water is more. So women and men first began to grow the crops. First crops were wheat and barley. Remember this point. What are the first crops grown by the ancient people? Wheat and barley. About 8,000 years ago. About 8,000 years ago. That means agriculture started 8,000 years ago. Next one. What are the animals they are going to rear? Sheep and goat. Sheep and goat along with dog also. Sheep and goat and dog are the animals they are used to rear. Rice was the first grown in the north of Vindhyas. I already shown you in the map location. Vindhyas were the first rice grown. Next point is difference. What is the difference between inscription and manuscript? Inscription is writing on the hard surface. It is clear. Manuscript is writing on the leaves. Okay. Now, about 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest sites flourished on the bank of Indus River. I shown you in the map Indus River where it is located. Indus River. It is. I will show you. About 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the bank of Indus River. Firstly, next one is 2,500 years ago. Cities were developed on the bank of Ganga tributaries. What is tributary? Tributary is a small river which is going to join in the main river. That is large river. Okay. Next one is the word India comes from Indus. The word India comes from Indus. Called Sindhu in Sanskrit. Sindhu in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit we call it as Sindhu. Okay. The Iranians and Greeks who came from northwest about 2,500 years ago and were familiar with the Indus call it as Indos. The Greeks and the Iranians and Greeks were called as India called as Indos or Hindus. Finding about people, finding about the past. So now we are going to find about the past. The name of Bharata was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest. Northwest people call our India as Bharata. It is from Rigveda. Bharata is from Rigveda. Rigveda is the oldest Vedas. Oldest Veda is Rigveda. So books that were written long ago, these are called manuscript. I already told you manuscript means what is a manuscript, And the next point is inscriptions. Inscriptions are used by the kings to make their rules. They form one rule, they have to inscript that rule on the metals, so the people will see that and people will follow the rules. One past or many. Actually, before starting, there is our pasts. Title is our pasts. Why it is our pasts? Why not it is our past? Because there is only not one past. There is only not only one past. Because why? Because there are so many different type of peoples. For example, farmers. Farmers have different type of past. And for example, queens and kings. Kings and queens have different type of past. So that's the reason we are kept here our past. Our past. Okay, na? Now one more thing here. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they get to their own food from the forest. But comes to us, we don't get food from forest. All the food from forest, not from the forest. So that is a different from different pasts. Okay, na? The in olden days, languages used were Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. These are the three languages used. But by ordinary people, Prakrit is used. Prakrit is used by ordinary people. What do dates mean? Now I clearly explain you about the dates. We mentioned in the dates AD, BC. What is this AD, BC? I clearly explain you. Listen here. Now BC means before Christ. It is everyone know. But what is BC? AD means Anno Domini. It is also everyone knows. Now see here. At the birth of Jesus, the time of birth of Jesus, that time onwards we are counting the forward. We are counting forward numbers, that is Anno Domini, AD or CE, Common Era. But before the birth of Jesus, we are calling as before Christ, BC. Before Christ, BC, that is before Christ, BC. So or that is also called as BCE, before Common Era. Okay, na? Or BP, it is also called as BP. Here not mentioned BP, before present. So clear everyone? So these are some important dates. Beginning of the agriculture 8,000 years ago. Cities on the Indus 4,700 years ago. Cities on Ganga Valley, Big Kingdom, Magadha 2,500 years ago. Present to 2020. We can put here AD or BC. AD, because it is after Jesus, birth of Jesus. After the birth of Jesus. So we are keeping here 2020 AD. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, comment on the comment box. Like our videos, subscribe the channel. So